everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart beauty box. Now, I just got my winter one. Like, my winter one came like maybe a month ago, a little over a month ago. I was not expecting this to be here so soon. I don't know what it is with their schedule. I mean, I pretty much got my winter one right when spring just started, right when everything was starting, you know, to be nice. And now this is my spring one, or no, this is my spring one. So I'm excited to see what I got. I was not expecting to get it because usually Walmart, you know, always says, hey, do you need to make any changes or anything, you know, to the box or something? Because in the past there used to be two boxes. There was a trendsetter and a classic, and it just depends on, you know, what kind of survey you chose. And then they had the option where you can pick either one, and then now it's just combined. I think this is a trendsetter one. I have no idea, but they just ask you a bunch of questions. I think it's it's worthless because I think they just send whatever samples they have that kind of relate to the season. Now, last month was an okay month. I actually still have my samples right here. This is what I got in the spring, and I actually got, you know, some dry shampoo. I got some lotion, toothpaste, and then Lumify. It was okay. Was it worth $5? I mean, you're paying for samples. They say the box is free, but you get everything. But this is the box that I am opening today. This is my spring box. Hopefully something's good. I've been very disappointed in the Walmart box. When they first started this, they gave you some really good stuff. They gave you full-size items. They gave you really good stuff. But this has some weight to it, so I'm excited to see what it is. I just continue doing it because it's only $5, and sometimes I do like samples, you know, to try new things. My cat really wants to sit on my lap, but you know, Paris. But let's just see what we got, because I'm just curious to see what we got. Okay, oh. So this does look like it's a full-size item, possibly. It is Head & Shoulders Supreme Nourish and Smooth hair conditioner. So they did give us like a mini like travel size. So probably if you guys went in like the travel size section, you might find this. So this is probably worth like $2 or $3 right here, maybe a little bit more. But this is cool. It's with argan oil and jojoba oil. So I don't know if you can smell it. No. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. It smells really good. So we got a nice big sample of that. That's what the first thing that caught my eye. Okay, you guys, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. So the next thing we got is the Biore Love Your Pores Rose Quartz. I don't have oily skin, but it's a daily purifier skin cleanser. So this is kind of cool. It's with rose quartz and charcoal, great for oily skin. Use it in the wet face. I usually use this kind of stuff in the shower, so I will definitely be using this. It's just a cute little, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's not gonna focus, but it's just like a cute little bottle. It's kind of pink. Let's see if this is open. It looks like there's glitter in it. If you guys are okay with glitter, I don't know if it'll, you know, wash on your face with glitter, but it's pretty good, you know, so far. And you guys know what? I'm actually really liking this box. This is probably one of the best Walmart boxes I've gotten. And here, let me tell you guys what else I got. I got a Hello toothbrush. A Hello toothbrush. I don't know how much this costs. I bet you I could probably check the Walmart app. Let me see if we can open up the app and see how much it costs. But we got the Hello toothbrush. This is the charcoal infused tapered bristles. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. And then there's also toothpaste in here. But let's just see if this pops up through the app. It probably won't. They're saying this is $3.96. $3.96 for that toothbrush. And then here is a little sample of toothpaste. This says naturally whitening fluoride toothpaste, farm grown mint with tea tree and coconut oil. This is probably just a little sample. I highly doubt this will scan, but we will see if it will. It probably won't because it's just like a little sample. But let me check out the Head & Shoulders for you guys. Okay, so yeah, that was like a little sample, but here we have the Hello toothpaste. This is probably has a plastic thing on it. Most of them do, yeah. And it's really like, just smelling it, I can smell it. Just smells like normal toothpaste. So pretty excited for that, you guys. Like, this is probably one of the better stuff. I think if from people complaining so much about the Walmart box, we got that. And then here is the NYX lipstick. This is everything. It's a lip oil. What's with everything being an oil? Oil. Let's see what this is. Probably won't scan because... Okay, so this runs for $3.99. $3.99. So you guys, this is a pretty good box. So the color that I got is... doesn't say. Thai 005. So it's a sheer blush oil, lip oil. So that's kind of cool. You got a full size right there. I also got these NYX also in my box I got think last time too. So you guys know what? For $5, this is probably the best box. Now please keep in mind, everybody gets different things. I don't know why, but they also gave me, okay, there's more stuff in here. So here is the spring box. They want to know how it was. Okay. Yeah, we'll try that. And then de-stress with the moment of calm. So it looks like they gave us a calm sample of a supplement, raspberry lemon. So that's kind of cool. Kind of cool. So we got that. So in this box, you guys, for $5, I think you actually got your money's worth. In the past, I've been very disappointed. Several boxes. Like I said, it's been a long time, but I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So we got the comb, we have the Hello toothpaste, and the Hello brush. We got the nice big size of the Head & Shoulders conditioner, and then the Biore facial cleanser. So that is everything, you guys, I got in my Walmart box. I really enjoyed it. This is a pretty good box. You guys can definitely join. You just go to walmartbeauty.com. The box is free, but you just pay $5 for shipping. They send it to you every quarter, usually every season. So we will see when I will get the summer box. But I think that's a pretty good box. If they do have an option where you guys, you know, can say what you got, definitely go ahead and say this is a pretty good box. Let me know if you guys got something different or if you got something better. I would love to hear it. But I am very happy for once with my Walmart beauty box. Like I said, I was going to cancel it, but I'm like, it's only $5 and you never know what you're going to get. I've gotten razors in the past, which is kind of nice. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time for another Walmart beauty unboxing. See you guys later. Bye-bye.